This video is about the Creality K2 Pro Combo 3D printer, a next-generation multicolor 3D printer that delivers professional-grade performance for both hobbyists and pros. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, make sure to check the link to this 3D printer in the description below. The K2 Pro Combo is designed to impress with its ability to print up to 16 colors and multiple materials simultaneously. With the Creality Filament System, CFS, it automatically identifies filaments, manages moisture, and displays real-time temperature and humidity. Combined with Creality OS and Creality Print software, slicing and multicolor printing have never been easier. This printer is perfect if you want detailed, vibrant models without constantly swapping filaments manually. Its large 300 by 300 by 300 mm build volume allows printing sizable models or multiple parts in one go. The robust aluminum alloy frame, steel X-axis rail, and dual Z-axis ensure stability even during high-speed printing. With a direct drive extruder and hardened steel nozzle, it handles engineering filaments like ABS, ASA, and PPA-CF effortlessly. You can achieve professional results at speeds up to 600 mm per second, and despite this speed, the printer operates quietly thanks to precision motor tuning and balanced fans. The dual AI cameras are a standout feature, monitoring print progress, detecting failures, and even creating time-lapse videos. Smart auto-leveling probes only the print area you need, cutting setup time and increasing accuracy. Additional benefits include chamber heating, a 300 degrees Celsius nozzle for abrasive materials, LAN multi-printer control, air purification, and a built-in RFID reader. While it's a powerful machine, beginners might need a short learning curve to get the most out of advanced features. Overall, the Creality K2 Pro Combo is a complete, professional-grade solution for anyone looking to step into multicolor, high-speed 3D printing.